One of the coolest things about wheeling is you get to meet all sorts of people, all brought together by the common thread of adventure. And today just happens to be one of those days where we met some new friends and then we hit the trails hard. I've been waiting to get this for a while in the mail. This is the Northbound Expeditions chainsaw bag. One of the reasons I wanted to get this bag is it has this liner in here, so if you put your chainsaw back in when it's hot, it's not going to damage the bag.
Instead of trees, the kids were climbing up telephone antenna poles. Their mothers sat on brown park benches and were waiting to get old.
Yeah, so we got Casey 250 here from
What's going on, guys? We came over from the island. We brought a couple Jeeps with us. 08 Wrangler. This may actually be the last time we wheel it, hopefully, because we've got a new Eco Diesel JL on the way coming to the channel. So thought we'd come visit Sean.
After getting aired down, we got straight to exploring, hitting any side trails we could find and having no idea where we'd end up. But that's just how I like my adventures.
Took me by surprise again and again. How could I be wrong? Never wanted to admit the fall, that I wasn't strong. Never know how fast and sudden, but then I do. This time what I'm learning, my friend, feels so new. And you teach me how to let go, and truly, girl, you teach me how to let go, and truly, girl, truly, girl,
Pretty nice here. I think we're gonna set up a barbecue, have some lunch, and you know, hang out for a bit before we go do some more wheeling. See, this is why you need a Gladiator instead of a JL, because it has a built-in table for cooking hot wings on. Well, but you are gonna have a diesel, which I'm jealous of.
Or you just need to have a friend with a Gladiator.
After the hot wing feast that Casey cooked up, we got right back to it. There's not a huge amount of rock crawling around this area, but I did know of a couple of trails that would be fun for these guys.
breathing slowly, the smoke might burn. this time. Break the ceiling. It's made of thin glass. Face the feeling. You might not regret.
Camera light.
You're good. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Straight.
Passenger. Driver. You're good. Getting used to it?
Yeah.
Casey ruining the shot. Made it down to the beach. A lot of the rocks down here have fossils in them, which is really cool. See that? Fossils. So cool. Yeah, they're mostly clam fossils.
Yeah.
Pretty neat stuff. Well guys, it's been a pretty good day out wheeling. It's probably gonna be the end of this video. Hit a lot of trails. Casey came over from the island. He's awesome. Look, he's vlogging. So weird. He doesn't know I'm in.
With that said, I will see you guys next week in the next one.
Casey, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, man. Had it, whoa, left-handed shake because you got
I got the camera in one hand. Make sure you guys subscribe to Casey's channel, Casey250 on YouTube. Came out.
Thanks so much. We had an awesome day, a lot of fun. Appreciate you taking us around your area.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see this trip from Casey's perspective, he'll be posting his video on the trip next Monday, so make sure you go subscribe to his channel so you don't miss that. Before you do that, if you're not already, please hit the subscribe button here on my channel. You don't want to miss what we're going to do next. My name is Sean, and this is The Story Till Now.
let them have it. Let them have it. Let